Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing very well in your life, guys. Today my video is based on one of the mask accessories, that is mask chain. You know what, mask chain is the hot new accessories being flaunted by many celebrities and influencers. Guys, you know, many of the brands and many of the companies are now making mask chains, and you can see there is a one brand that is tanned, which is showing their designs on their Instagram account, and many of the celebrities, you can see Mrinal, and one of the celebrity Tiska Chopra, and another is and Shilpa Shetty Kundra also wearing their mask. So guys, why not we can make our own designs. So in this video I'm going to show you how can you make your own designs by using different kind of materials. So let's go and start our own designs. This is the first idea which I'm giving to you. In this you can see she is wearing a chain with her mask. So you can use the chain of your old sling bag, and you can just attach this chain with your mask, and it looks really fabulous. In the second idea, you can attach your favorite jewelry with your mask by using small claps. Guys, you know, it is really very easily available in the market, so you can just attach your jewelry with your mask. And this is the kundan jewelry which is attached by the small claps, you can see in the picture, and it looks really very fabulous, and I loved it very much. In the another idea, you can also use your old beaded necklace. You just attach this necklace with your mask. But yes, if you are making with beads, you buy some beads from the markets, and for this you just need a thread and some loose beads, and you know, cut the thread according to your preferred length. And guys, please make sure it is strong enough to hold your mask. So I think this is the best idea. This idea is my favorite idea because it is made with crochet, and I love to do crochet. And one more thing guys, if you want that I make this mask chain for you on my YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to comment me, and I love to do that. There were many more ideas in this video to make chains. Guys, keep watching, and if you like my video, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends, family, and your relatives. And if you like my video, please do comment. Thanks for watching, and you just watch more designs of mask chain in this video. Thank you so much.